Well, we're sitting here pan fishing, and leave it to the Yankee.
Don't know what the hell he got.
Get something that takes line and is fighting like it's about a 2-pound fish or bigger. Yeah, I'm 4-pound test line.
I bet it's a bass.
It hasn't jumped yet though.
He ain't had to. He's like, hey, I'll pull this bitch wherever I want.
We'll find out here in a second, won't we? Get
Maybe.
up here. Got that right. Look at that rod just bent right over like I've caught some kind of monster.
You know, that's if it's like a 5-pound brim.
So I haven't even seen it yet.
Me neither. I see a big ass swirl. Should have that bit net.
Well, yeah. Oh, I just saw it.
I saw color. That's a bass.
You think so?
I think so. What'd you catch him on?
A little grub.
The same one we was using?
Yeah, just with the jig head instead of the spinner.
See, Bob, not like that, as everybody says.
I'm saying.
Maybe if we ever get to see this fucking fish.
Oh, it's a catfish, I think. I don't know. I didn't get a real good look at it, but it's a catfish.
Yeah. I'll eat that motherfucker. We ain't throwing him back.
No, and that's actually a decent little channel right there.
Channel or blue?
It's looking like a channel.
I don't know.
Leave it to the Yankee.
Oh, fucking on a motherfucking grub.
He hit it too.